Hey guys, it's Robert here. Another quick video on a project we're working on. These are two FM wireless FM receivers for our PA system when we do DJ gigs. Sometimes we have to put speakers half a mile away from the DJ booth. Running wires that long on a powered system or a passive system is not conductive. So we've got a generator that we use, and then these two remote boxes to power up to 8 speakers. And we can then pull 200-foot lines off of them for speakers for different zones. So they're pretty simply made. What we did is the top one here was the first one we did. It was made of leftover parts laying around the shop. So just a 2-space security cover. We cut a hole in and put an old Pioneer MP3 deck in. And then we had this old Yamaha 180 watt amplifier laying around. So that's the first one we built. Of course, it's a 12-volt system. I'll show you all that in a little bit. It's all powered off of a 150 watt computer power supply for the radio there, which you'll never use that. You're just using it as a line source pretty much. The bottom one, which is the ones we're making now, we've got a couple of these in service, is made by All Pile Gear. So this is a Seismic Audio 4U case. It's like $100 shipped next day. And then the Pile FM deck here, which has a USB on the front of it. You can plug an iPod into it, or you can actually plug a line source into the front of it there. And then you've got your PTA 1000 amp, which is supposedly 1,000 watts bridged. I'm thinking it's more like 200 watts at 8 ohms at best. But it does the job and makes everything work. So this whole rack here put together cost us no more than probably $200. $100 for the rack, and then we got the amplifier on sale for $50. $30 here. We already had the power supplies in the house. So if you were buying everything brand new, you could put this system together for about $250. You've got you a really good mobile Swiss Army knife set up here. If we need to, we can rent this system out for parties, and you can plug an iPod into it. You can even plug a DJ mixer into the front of this system here, and you're good to go. So it's running right now, so I'm going to show you. We're on one of the local stations of the river. So it works pretty good. We're inside of a building with very thick brick walls. Just simple car antennas that are made to mount on fenders. We mounted them inside the boxes here. And I'm going to turn these around real quick and show you guys the back. In the back of the system here, you see the back of the radio there, set of interconnects coming out, and then the power supply which came out of one server of 150 watts. And then the back of the amplifier, everything's Nutrix Speak-On. And so that's it, wired up, ready to go. Like I said, $250 will put this system together. And it's not as clean as our other installs, as our mix rack, our amp rack, and our wireless racks are. They only get used maybe twice a year. But like we said, when we're looking at doing a half a mile worth of speaker runs, powered or amplified, this box is cheaper than having to build those cables and then haul them around. So, yep, this is the Robert. And if you guys like it, comment, all that good stuff.